the standalone version of GeoQuotes has really taken us to this whole new world where we can do a couple things. I can click on create and I can upload a Word document. So you can go into Microsoft Word, tailor whatever the document is, maybe it's 20 pages long, and you can put your merge fields inside of it. Or you can just use the template builder and build one from scratch. So you could quickly click on the link and you can design your template right inside of the editor here too. So it's pretty fancy as far as HTML users would go. You can go in here and actually load in your own HTML if you want as well, or you can just do the drag and drop to drop different columns, 3-column views. You can drop the product table in here as well and be able to create a document. The other cool thing you can do too is we have the Eligio sample template where I can just go in here and actually just duplicate an pre-existing template, and then I can just work on an existing template. And so inside of here you can see I have all of my fields, my information, there's my merge fields. So I can do whatever I want to kind of tailor this to whatever I want it to look like on my template. And on the right hand side you can add in more things like a page break. So again, if you have multi-page documents, you can add a page break in there. We also have digital signature built into the system too, so you can drag and drop a digital signature inside of your document and actually have people sign either on a tablet or just using their mouse on the screen right inside of GeoQuotes when they accept it. So really flexible. We're just going to go in here and call this the GeoQuotes test doc. We're just going to go and update that document there and make that saved and go back. So that's great on the templates, so really flexible. You can have as many templates as you want. So if there's different scenarios, maybe if you're like a distributor, you have different vendors you represent, that's another cool way of having different versions that you might want to send out to your customers.